Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you guys joining for another video. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of a couple of new holsters I got in from Aliengear holsters. I want to send a shout out to Aliengear holsters. They've been a supporter of my channel for a long time. This is a phenomenal company that makes outstanding products. I will always say that this is the best holster systems on the market today. So let's check these two holsters out. Keep in mind, guys, not a full review, just an unboxing. So the first holster they sent me, this is the Cloak the Cloak belt holster. So this is an outside the waistband holster. It's what the holster looks like. This is for my Ruger EC9. You got some extra spacers here and some additional hardware. So you can make a lot of different adjustments to this, which I'll go over in the full review. So that's the first one they sent to me. You also get a little sticker in the packaging, and you saw the manual. So next, this is one I've been looking forward to for a long time. This is the drop leg holster. This is going to be for the Springfield Armory XD9. Take these rubber bands off. So this is what this one looks like. Now I have to go and configure everything and show you in the full review what it looks like. You do have some extra hardware here and your manuals. Got a little card here too. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just a quick unboxing. This is the Cloak belt holster, and you got the drop leg holster as well. Stay tuned for the full review. It's coming in about a week or so. And I appreciate you guys watching. I'm Tactical Black Guy. Thanks a lot, Aliengear holsters, and I'm out. Peace.